We all use MAXHUB. Instant teleconferencing.
Supports wireless screen sharing.
Annotations appear in real time on all remote screens. 4K display and built-in microphone.
Get involved like never before.
Faster screen sharing.
Click and share, no more wires. Farewell to cables.
Up to 4 devices sharing and reverse control of laptops. Higher accuracy touch technology. Import files and multimedias to visualize your ideas. Access the whiteboarding via QR code. Meeting recording has never been so effortless. This is MAXHUB, which integrates features of teleconferencing, screen sharing, and whiteboarding, enhance collaboration and productivity. MAXHUB.